I'm out here with the Syma X400, the legend. Feeling a nice little breeze at my back, so that's probably not going to be a good sign. There it is, the X400. Yay, it worked. Hey, I can see some video. Yay, that's nice. Okay, there it goes. I got it. Oh yeah, you can have access. I just didn't have that little button pressed on the side there. So let me do the level calibration. There it goes. Down and to the right with the sticks. And let's just take off. Boy, it doesn't want to. The trim is so out of whack. Okay, I'm getting it, guys. I'm getting it. Okay. Okay, here we go. We are going to get to fly this thing here. See? That trim, I did the level calibration. You saw me do it on the table, but it's, wow. They just wanted to come straight backwards to me. When I took off, the trim was that bad. So yeah, it flies great, man. It's a Syma, okay? They all fly good. But you get the bugs worked out of them. There, it's holding pretty good now. Yeah, see, the Syma, at least they made the camera face forward so you could see some video. Not like that Potensic thing. I mean, I know the range on this thing's only going to be like 50 feet. It's a toy, okay? But it does seem to fly decently. Once I get out there to about 30 feet, it just starts acting up a little bit. You can feel it. So I'm going to say the range on this thing's going to be like 50 feet top. Hey, Francesca. Good. Now I took the trim too far. It's kind of taken a long time for the trim to take effect, what you do, you know. Okay, whatever. It's your standard Syma fare on the menu today at the Syma Diner. Right there where it's at, right there, that's about as far as I want to take it. Matter of fact, I think I just lost the bind on it. I did there for a second. Yeah, I did. I have to crash it. Okay, I didn't have a choice. It was gonna go who knows where out there. And I don't want to hit any cars going by. It lost the yaw. I couldn't spin it around any. So I just pulled the stick down. No biggie. Yeah, so that range is just out there from here. You see where those cups are? Okay, that's about it right there. Let me do this and reset, rebind the thing there. Okay, re-level it, which I did. Video's still running. Let me cut the video so I have, at least have some. Look at that thing. I've had better Symas than this, trust me. Because I leveled that thing just again and it just took off and went right to the right. Look at it, see it? Let me get a flip in for the kiddies. Okay, gotta get a flip in. The battery is still holding up here actually, so that's actually a pretty good sign. And the flips, they're all four directions flip. Front, back, left, right. So. Got ran into. I'm actually surprised that this thing's still flying, to be honest, because, man, that's a pretty damn long flight time. I wish the thing would sit still. Look at it. See how it's going there like that? Watch, let go of it. So I've been flying it with it fighting me like that. There goes the battery warning. Okay, alright guys. Hey, you know, it's a Syma. I'm done with it now. I can send it out to Mike now. That's who wants it. There it is. The legend, the Syma. So, yeah, that's the end of the road for that thing. Alright guys. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.